everyone, welcome to Yarnoculous. Hope y'all are doing great. I'm back with part 8 of my giant bobble stitch crochet blanket, and today we're gonna knock off the next set of rows. As you very well know, I'm putting out the pattern for this blanket in parts, and if you have subscribed to my channel, you're gonna be updated every time I put out the next part. And that is a very good reason to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss any of these beautiful patterns. In the previous parts we have completed up to row number 90, so we're gonna start today from row number 91. And if you're looking for any of the previous parts, the link to the playlist is gonna be up here on the screen. On that note, let's go straight to the craft table and start with row number 91. Let's go. Alright everyone, so once you're done with row number 90, let's start with row 91 with the chain 1 and turn your work. Alright, on row number 91, we're gonna start with 20 single crochets. Put a bobble in the next stitch. 5 single crochets next. A bobble in the next stitch. And a single crochet in the next, and we're not gonna finish it. Instead, just drop your color number 1 in front of you, pick up the brown color and finish the stitch with the brown color. There you go, just like that. Now with the brown color we need to do 143 single crochets, so go ahead and do 143 single crochets.
A few moments later.
Alright, and the last stitch, the stitch number 143 of the brown color, I'm just going to do it halfway. Take the yarn in front of you and complete the stitch with color number 1. Okay, just like this. Now with color number 1, we need to do a single crochet in the next stitch, a bobble in the next, five single crochets next, a bobble in the next stitch, and then to end this row we need 20 single crochets just like you started. Okay, so go ahead, do 20 single crochets. That's going to be the end of your row number 91. Chain 1, turn your work, do row number 92, which is going to be a single crochet in every stitch. Just remember to do 143 single crochets in brown in the middle, and then single crochets for the start and end in color number 1. Okay, get these 2 rows done and I'll meet you back at row number 93. Alright everyone, so once you're done with row number 92, let's chain 1 and turn for row number 93. And for row number 93, we're gonna start with 19 single crochets. Do a bobble stitch in the next stitch, three single crochets, bobble in the next stitch, and this bobble is the start of your inner diamond. Okay, do 3 single crochets next, a bobble in the next, and a single crochet in the next stitch, which we are not gonna finish with this color. You're gonna drop that color and finish it with the brown color, just like that. Now this is also the row wherein you start the lettering for the love home words. So with the brown color, let's do 23 single crochets first, Alright, after 23 single crochets, let's put a bobble in the next stitch. And for the bobble with the brown color, I'm gonna do 5 double crochets done halfway. I've done 4 and 3 for rest of the yarns because those were chunkier yarns. This yarn being on the thinner side, I feel a bobble stitch with 5 double crochets halfway would look really good on this one, and that's what I've done. Okay, let's put a single crochet in the next, a bobble in the next stitch. After the bobble stitch, let's do 9 single crochets. A bobble in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next. And a bobble in the next stitch. Okay, ten single crochets next. And after the 10 single crochets, we need 9 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. So just do a bobble stitch and a single crochet 9 times. And this is for the letter O. Alright, after the 9th bobble stitch here, let's do 11 single crochets. After 11 single crochets, we need a bobble stitch in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next and a bobble in the next. After that, we need 9 single crochets. Bobble in the next. Single crochet in the next and a bobble in the next stitch. That was for the letter M. Do 5 single crochets next. And after the 5 single crochets, we need 11 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. So go ahead and do that. After the 11 pairs and the 11th bobble stitch, you'll be left with 24 single crochets of the brown color. So let's do that. Alright, the 24th single crochet, that's the last one for the color brown. I'm not gonna finish it. Instead, just drop your brown yarn, pick up your color number 1 and finish the stitch with color number 1. Okay, now with color number 1, do a single crochet in the next stitch, bobble in the next, three single crochets next, a bobble in the next stitch, three single crochets, bobble in the next, and the last thing on row number 93 would be 19 single crochets, just like you started. Okay, So get these 19 single crochets done. That's gonna end your row number 19. When you're at the end, you know what to do. Chain 1, turn your work, do row number 94, which is gonna be a single crochet in every stitch. Just don't forget that in the middle you got to do the single crochets with the brown color, and on either ends of the blanket you're gonna do single crochets with color number 1. Okay, get these 2 rows done and meet me back here for row number 95. Alright everyone, so once you're done with row number 94, let's start row number 95 with the chain 1 and turn your work. Alright, and row number 95, we're gonna start with 18 single crochets. Put a bobble stitch in the next stitch. 3 single crochets next. Bobble in the next. 1 single crochet and a bobble in the next. Three single crochets after that, a bobble in the next stitch, and a single crochet in the next. Do it halfway because we're gonna change over to the brown color. Finish the stitch with the brown color, and with the brown color let's do 23 single crochets. Okay, after the 23 single crochets, do a bobble in the next stitch. Eleven single crochets next. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Ten single crochets next. Bobble in the next stitch. Seventeen single crochets next. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Eleven single crochets next. Bobble in the next stitch. Let's do 11 single crochets after the bobble. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Do 8 single crochets next. Bobble in the next stitch. 17 single crochets after the bobble. Put a bobble in the next stitch. And the last thing with the brown color on this row is gonna be 23 single crochets. And the 23rd single crochet, we're not gonna finish it. Instead, just drop the brown yarn, pick up your color number 1 and finish the stitch with color number 1. Okay, with color number 1, do a single crochet in the next stitch, a bobble in the next, three single crochets after that, bobble in the next stitch, single crochet in the next and a bobble in the next, 3 single crochets and a bobble in the next stitch. And to end row number 95, all you're gonna do is 18 single crochets just like we started. Okay, so go ahead, do that, and once you're done with that, chain 1, turn your work and do row number 96 as well, which is gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch, and I'll meet you back here for row number 97. Alright everyone, I think it's a good time to stop here for today. Please do let me know if you have any comments, questions or feedback for me in the comment section below. And if you have any requests for my future videos, to put that in the comment section below as well. You can also hit me up on Instagram. My handle is @Yarnoculous. I'm gonna see you next time with the next bunch of rows. Till then, take care and happy crocheting.